Hello guys, what's up? This is your boy Ma Cheng. Right here I have something that I want to say. Have you ever asked why Nasdaq disappear? I'm just curious. Because the page was doing great things, promoting nice, promoting everyone from South Sudan, promoting everyone from Ethiopia. I can say that all over the world. And I do not know why. What was the reason why the page was taken down? I don't know why the page disappeared without any trace. Okay, I'm just curious. That's why I asked this question, because when something exists and then disappear later on, I think this is something that we all should be asking. What was the reason? A good name, Nas Daily, something special. When we go to the comment, let me check the comment section. Let me see who comment about this. Why Nasdaq disappear? I have no reason. I want to know. Okay, and that's why I pose this question right here. I want to know what happened to our special Nas Daily. Nas Daily it is like a delicious, breakfast to me, because they always post about Nas. They always post about people, many people. So I want to know what was the reason why Nas Daily disappeared like that, guys. I want to know for sure. All right. So let me look at the comment section right here and see. Okay, Big Boy Kaiwan said maybe they are tired from the hatred they got from the public instead of appreciation. I will say yes, because I'm also feeling the same thing. I will go together with Mr. Kaiwan for putting that message here. People can get tired sometimes when they are getting annoyed message. And Mr. Ray Kusa right here, one of our brother, also a legend also, said if they got hatred, why they forget to do their things? What thing, bro? People cannot do things when people are after them, when they are when you talk bad about people who are posting information all the time. Of course, good people disappear just like that. This is why the nice day disappear maybe. But we have to know what was the main reason, and they should tell us that we are taking down NAS daily instead of making it disappear like that. Let's go on here. Okay, what is going on from NAS daily? Dwal Peter Gade, that's what he said. What going on from NAS daily? So everybody is curious like me. Okay, let's come here. I think not most of the not everybody comment on this, but to me it is must. I have to know. I want to know. So if you have any clue about this, why it disappeared, even though if this is a hate speech that make this page to be taken down by the fans, I want also to know. We cannot just simply lose it like that. All right. We've been missing a lot of good information right now. Things that are happening in the world, we can get them from that page, from Nas Daily. So if you admin from Nasdaq, please make sure you bring back the page. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.